Guarded by Mike De Gregorio. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Kasin. But nobody boxing out Romel Calat as he scores the first 2 points of this ball game. Set their offense. Manday gives it up to Matias. Nice cut by Calahat and a hard foul given up by Jay Collado.
The weeks.
Brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Kumbaga nag-focus siya doon sa kung paano yung magiging sama nila. Set, heading into this matchup also against Caloocan. And it's nice to see reaping dividends. At least here, they're up by 6. But yun nga, the disappointment of losing and not making the playoffs last season, 12 and 16. I mean, can you imagine a Coach Gerson-led team finishing off with that record? Kumbaga, alam mo yung gaya nga ng nabanggit, Coach Mike, naging magandang addition rin para dito sa Caloocan. And
Everybody getting one assigned guy to defend. Oh, Fontanilla got beat.
Calahat puts it up, puts it in from downtown. The lead is down to 2. Puts it up to Paul Sanga. Chance to tie or take the lead in this possession for Caloocan. Calahat. Another 3-point attempt. Back-to-back threes from Romel Calahat.
That 3, Joey.
3-point shot brought to you by Extreme, your one-stop shop appliances.
Ang ganda ng pagkakatira na yun ni Calahat. His second already.
Cervantes. Guarded by Lervin Flores. Bitoon. Almost lost it. 8 seconds left on their shot clock. Calahat puts it up. And it goes in. Romel Calahat with 12 points.